Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Jaden. For those who are new, welcome. Okay loves, so here is my third salon visit. I told you guys I go back every 2 weeks to get my hair professionally maintenance at my hairstylist. Alright, so heads up you guys, this is me after my 11 and 7 night shift, so if I look pretty zoned out or like tired in certain clips, that's why. Okay, so first step, she based the perimeter of my hair. A lot of the things she used in the video, she did actually tell me the product name, but a lot of the things I kind of forgot, you guys. Like I said, I just came from my night shift and I was really tired. I should have wrote them down, but I'll let you guys know in the next, routine video exactly what products she used. Okay, so now she's applying the relaxer to the perimeter of my hair, mostly to the sides where it's shorter, and also the back as well. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, loves, after she applied all the relaxer. I believe she only left it on from maybe 7 to 8 minutes, not that long. It actually started burning because I was scratching my head before I actually got the relaxer, which is a huge no-no. So right here, she's actually rinsing out the relaxer because, like I said, I was scratching my hair during my night shift, and then I totally forgot that you're not supposed to do that before a relaxer, and my head was burning like after 5 minutes. Okay, so now she added the shampoo. I know that she definitely told me that she uses Design Essentials. I don't know the specific name of which products from Design Essentials. Now it's time to rinse out the conditioner, and this felt amazing because, like I told you guys, my head was on fire from scratching my hair before the actual relaxer application. So now I know, do not ever do that again. Okay, so here she is about to apply the conditioner for my deep condition, and just gonna wrap it up with a plastic cap, and I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm all done with the deep conditioning process, and we are rinsing it out. Okay love, so this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed and after the deep condition is applied. It's time to start shaping my hair with the foaming lotion and just basically getting it prepared for the actual styling process. And like I said in the beginning, you guys, I do not know every product name that she actually used. I apologize for that. I should have probably asked her and wrote it down. It kind of felt awkward asking every single thing she was using, but I will definitely get the names for you guys. Okay, so here you guys is just a continuation of using a foaming lotion and a comb to comb my hair in a direction that's going to be wrapped, so it can be prepared for the style. This usually takes anywhere between like maybe 4 to 5 minutes, not that long. And you loves probably can't even tell, but I was so tired that day. I don't know why I scheduled my appointment right after my night shift. Okay, so here it is, time to wrap. This is basically helping to mold the wrap that she just did with the foaming lotion, and like I said in the previous clips, prepare for the actual styling for the heat process. Okay, so I'm under the dryer again, and I set into the dryer for like maybe 25 minutes. Okay love, so this is what my hair is looking like fresh from underneath the dryer. And I do apologize you guys, the sun was really bright and I couldn't capture any good footage of the actual heat styling process. Okay love, so that is the end of this third salon routine video. I really hope you loves enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to join my love squad, and hit that notification bell. As always, bye love squad.
I'm in control.